completely fogged up. Hello all, what's up? Well, it's 5 in the evening, so good evening. So today's date is Friday 9th of April. So we had plans for a long ride within Kerala with my buddy Shefin tomorrow, and plan is to travel from Trivandrum to Marur, yep, through Munnar. So we are planning to start by 5 a.m. in the morning, and then probably we'll reach there by 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock. I'm not sure how it is gonna go, because till afternoon it was completely hot and sunny day, and all of a sudden, look at this. Yeah, rain with thunder, good combination. My bike, I made everything clean. Chain looks well lubed and pretty clean. A lot of effort and time which I spent to make it look like this, and it's all gonna get ruined in this rain is what I'm worried about. About Sefin, he is also a TRAD member, so for a long time he is being there in Dubai. He works there in Dubai. So he came here for 2 weeks, I believe, 2 weeks holidays, and he wants to ride. One specific character about Sefin is basically he maintains the bike better than the showroom condition. The new bike which we see in the showroom, his bike would look much better than that. That's how he maintains it. So if it's gonna rain, I don't know, man. I don't know how he's gonna take it up. So he said like he wants to ride pretty long ride. We had plans for Ooty and all, but since it is the corona cases are going up high, and then and there are threats for lockdown and all, so we don't want to get stuck in there. So we avoided that, and we decided to do it within Kerala. So that's how it is now. Hopefully we can do it safely without getting wet on the rain. If it is raining, the other part is like we cannot push the motorcycle. There won't be any fun, because the roads will be slippery, tires will be 50% traction. It's gonna be tricky for us. We have to concentrate a lot on riding. There won't be any fun in riding in that case. Let's see. I believe it won't rain. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. Good morning, guys. So this is day 1 from Trivandrum. So my riding partner Sefin has already reached the destination, so I'm a bit late as usual. Yep. Let me quickly load this up. Oh man, this thing is damn heavy. Let her warm up. Good. Oh man, I'm breathing heavily even now. Don't mind. With the jacket and the suit, everything is a bit heavy. So yeah, it's gonna be a long day today. Okay, so it's gonna be a long day today. So the plan is we are going to Marur, which is after Munnar. So we plan to start by 4 a.m. and reach there by 2 p.m. Hopefully we can make it up by 2 p.m. in the noon. The sky looks clear now, so hopefully it's all in favor for us. God, please don't rain. Let's move on. So we are back on road. I have to meet him in Keshwadasupuram. As I said yesterday on the video about Stefan, so he maintains his bike as new as in showroom condition. Probably I will be able to show you now. Hey, good morning. Sorry, കുറച്ച് late ആയി. Okay, let me show you his bike. That's his bike, Street Twin. Look at it. Look how clean it is. It's all shiny. Yep, all good. ഏത് റൂട്ടാ പോണേ? ആ, കോട്ടയം റൂട്ടല്ലേ? എരുമേലി. ഓക്കെ ശരി. ആ, പോയിരുന്നു. ഞാൻ അടൂർ കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടപ്പോൾ ഇത് വെക്കാം. I'll keep the map. So how's it all going for you guys? Probably you guys will be sleeping now. It's 4:22 in the morning. So see you guys after some time. Hello, good morning. Now the time is around 6:12 and we are on the way to Rani, and we stopped here for this beautiful view. So far the ride is good. We were able to maintain the pace, average speed of around 80 to 100. No traffic, all good. Look at that, lovely place. Nice. I had to clean my GoPro lens as well as my helmet visor. It's all full bloody bug all over it. You know, the roads towards the Kottayam or beside the Kottayam road, all are beautiful roads. Well, while enjoying the road, I forgot to refuel. Now I have around 84 kilometers left. I believe we can find something in between. Just a small worry, that's all. The bike needs fuel as well as myself needs some fuel. My stomach is burning. Means I'm starving. എനിക്ക് ഫ്യൂവൽ വാർണിംഗ് കാണിച്ചു തുടങ്ങി. ആ, ഓ എന്നാ വ്യൂ അത്. Oh man, look at this view. Looks so beautiful. You can see the clouds below and we are top of the mountain. Good that we started early in the morning. So next time if you are guys coming from Trivandrum, start 4 o'clock in the morning. You know, you don't want to miss all this. Well, bike is holding up well. Only problem is running low on fuel, both of us. For me it is showing around 60 or 70 kilometers left, and for him it is 2 or 3 lines left, I think. Yeah. Bike still looks in mint condition. Well, I thought of refueling at Kutiganam, but that fuel pump in that junction, they said they are not operating now, some bloody reason, and then I couldn't refuel it. Now the range is like 36 kilometers. I don't know if I could find some fuel stop in between, as well as roads are pretty bad and we are not able to maintain the pace. The fuel, it's burning the fuel a lot. By the way, the view is absolutely stunning. Look at the color of these flowers. It's violet in color. Looks so good. Hey buddies, what's up? So now the time is 4:24 in the evening. We reached our destination by 1:30 and then we had some good food. It was very good. The restaurant doesn't look that fancy or anything, but the taste was very good. I liked it. So we thought I also took a quick nap, 15 minutes power nap. I felt better, and then we thought we'll do a local run, because on the way when we came we saw a sugarcane juice stall from the farm itself, so that fresh it is. So I thought I'll have some, and then we thought we'll click some pictures on a good spot, because on the way we saw some good paddy field and all, and we'll also refuel the bike. So that's it. I didn't wear any riding gear. This is the first time I'm riding without any riding gears. I mean, I have the helmet, but I'm wearing the helmet, but I didn't wear the riding pants, jacket or gloves. I just came out in shorts. So I have to be extra cautious. I don't want to fall down without any gears. Overall the ride was good, except Google reroute us for unnecessary detouring, which I didn't like it. Rest of it was good, and few bloody bad patch of roads. The climate is good, even though it is sunny. The temperature is low. I think it is around 23, 24, something like that. Feels good. Even though the bike is hot, I don't feel the heat on my leg. I'm on my bare leg. And there is some noise coming up. I don't know, I'm trying to figure it out from where it is coming up. I'm sure it is from the front bottom. Can you guys hear it? I don't know. Anyway, let's see. So we found a petrol pump on the way, refuel. Both the bikes are refueled, so it's all good for us now. We got to see an amazing sunset here. I'll show the pictures here. Yep, it was good. And today there's nothing more. Hopefully we'll go to our room, take rest. That's all, nothing much. Looks like a good frame for us to pick a take a picture. Not sure whether it is a private property road or anything. സ്നേഹമുള്ളതാണ്. എന്താടാ കുട്ടാ, എന്നെ മക്കളെ? ആ അച്ചടാ, കേറല്ലേ. Hey, good morning buddies. This is day 2 from Mariyur. Now the time is around 10 a.m. in the morning and we had our breakfast and checked out. This is another long day, so we are going back to our home, Trivandrum. Pretty long day, 9 hours ride from Mariyur, Munnar and Kottayam-Pala road. Woke up around 7 o'clock or something. Took bath and all. Had breakfast at 8. Okay, then we got ready and then start moving. The more we delay, the more we get stuck in the traffic. Today it's Sunday as well, so it's gonna be a rush hour. Hopefully we'll reach home safe and sound. Still that noise is there in the front set from somewhere from here. Not sure where it is, where exactly. I couldn't troubleshoot and find it. Even yesterday without helmet and all I tried, but couldn't find where exactly that is coming up from. Some metal piece rattling. I checked all radiator guard, assembly, everything I checked. All looks good, but yeah. See, I don't know where it is coming from, man. That these kind of sounds, basically I will lose peace of mind. Sugarcane, that's all sugarcane. We tasted it from here yesterday. It was very good. We are passing through this forest area. They have electric fence everywhere. I think animals used to cross all these. That's why they are having fence. Only problem is the road is a bit narrow, and if the city town buses are coming in, then we won't have enough space to squeeze in. Other than that, roads and all looks good. I'm sure Shefin is enjoying that street train. Lovely exhaust, torque on the lower rev. These bikes are so good to ride or cruise. Looks beautiful.